Hey, it's Tim from iRepair here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove objects from photos. We're going to be using one application for this, and it's going to be in a link in the description below. So it's called TouchRetouch. And for our example today, we're going to be using a stock photo. What you don't know about it is I'm all done editing. So let me show you some changes. There used to be a vase around here that I removed. There used to be documents. There used to be an iPhone. And lastly, this was the original image. So open up the app, click Object Removal, and just select, hit enter. That's all there is to it. And if you want to get this application, I'd recommend Setapp. So Setapp is a subscription where it's around $9 a month, and we have a referral in the description below that's going to give you a month free, and you get 200 plus apps for free. TouchRetouch is where we got this from, and also the Lofi music in the background. That's going to be Lofi Garden if you're interested. Anyhow, y'all, I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.